$1,000 a month, that's what most people are missing. Not enough to quit your job, but enough to change your life. Pay off your car, cover your groceries, build an emergency fund, actually start saving money. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that $1,000 a month income from the ATM business in 90 days. Step by step, no fluff, no BS. Hi, I'm Phil from PDQ Merchant Enterprises. I have been in the ATM business for decades. I've helped hundreds of people go from zero to the first $1,000 of passive income in less than 3 months. If you're sick of being broke and you want a real plan that actually works, this 3-part blueprint I'm going to show you will get you there. Let's get into it. So today I'm going to cover 3 things. Number 1, the simple math to hit $1,000 a month. Number 2, a 90-day timeline that's broken down week by week. And number 3, how to avoid the mistakes that will kill most ATM businesses before they start. First thing you need to understand is the math, because once you see how simple it is, you'll realize you can actually do it. Here's how the ATM business works. Every time someone uses your ATM, they pay a surcharge. Let's say, for example, that's $3. You keep most of that. The location gets a cut if you decide to give them that. Let's say 50 cents in this example. So you make $2.50 per transaction. Simple. Now let's do the math. To hit $1,000 a month, $1,000 divided by 250, that's 400 transactions. 400 transactions a month. Divide that by 30 days. That's about 13 transactions a day. That's it. That's all it takes. 13 people need to use your ATM every single day. Now here's the question. Can you find a location that gets 13 transactions a day? Absolutely you can. I'm going to show you exactly where they are. But first, let me break down how many ATMs you actually need. Option 1, 2 really good ATMs. If you got 2 machines in high traffic locations, you can hit that $1,000 a month easy. Each machine does 200 transactions a month. That's 7 transactions a day. Totally doable in a busy bar or barbershop. 2 machine times 200 transactions, that's 400 transactions total. Times 250 a transaction, that's $1,000 a month. Option 2, 3 average ATMs. Maybe you don't have access to a super busy location. That's fine. Get 3 machines in decent spots. Each one does about 130 transactions a month. That's 4 to 5 transactions a day. Way easier to find. 3 machines times 130 transactions, that's 390 transactions. Times 250, that's $975 a month. Close enough. Option 3, 4 slower ATMs. Maybe you're in a smaller town. Traffic is slower. No problem. 4 machines doing 100 transactions each. That's 3 transactions per day per machine. Almost any location can do that. 4 machines times 100 transactions. 400 total times $250. That's $1,000. See how flexible it is? You can hit $1,000 a month with 2 machines or 4 machines. It depends on the locations you find and how busy they are. Now let's talk about cost, because I know what you're thinking. Phil, how much do I need to get started? Here's the real number. About $5,000 to $6,000 per ATM. That breakdown is like this. $2,000 to $3,000 per machine, $2,000 to $3,000 for the cash that goes inside the machine. Remember, the cash is all yours. You're not spending it. You're moving it from your bank account into the ATM. Customer takes it out. You get the money back the next day, you put it back in, and it cycles. So you want to hit that $1,000 a month. You need about $10,000 to $12,000 to get started. That gets you 2 ATMs, 2 really good locations, and you're making $1,000 a month within 90 days. Here's your 90-day blueprint. I'm going to break this down week by week so you know exactly what to do. Day 1 through 14, foundation phase. This is where you set everything up. Week 1, you set up your business structure. You go online, you file an LLC or an S Corp with your state. That takes about 20 minutes. Costs about $100 to $200. Done. Then find a local bank, not a big bank. Go to a credit union or a small community bank. Tell them you're starting an ATM business. Open up a business checking account. Some banks will give you a hard time. That's fine. Try another one. Well, you only need 1 bank to say yes. Week 2, choose your processor and order your ATM. Processor are the company that handles your transactions. We do this at PDQ. We sell you the machine, we process your transactions, we program everything for you. Order 2 ATMs. They take about a week to ship. While you're waiting, it's time to find a location. Day 15 through 40, location hunting. This is the most important part. Your location determines everything. Good locations, you make money. Bad locations, you don't. So let me talk about what makes good locations. You want 3 things: high foot traffic, cash-based businesses, and no ATMs in the store or around the store. Here's where to look. Bars and nightclubs. People drink, they spend cash, they need money for tips, and they cover charges. Barbershops or hair salons. Older clienteles, cash tips, steady traffic. Tattoo shops. People take out $200, $300, even $400 for a tattoo. Big transactions mean big surcharges. Laundromats, small grocery stores, especially in neighborhoods where people don't have bank accounts nearby. Now here's what to do. Make a list of 50 locations in your town. I'm serious, 50. You're gonna get a lot of no's. That's part of the game. Get in your car, drive around, walk into each place, and ask to speak to the owner or the manager. Here's the pitch. Hey, I noticed you don't have an ATM. I'd like to put one here for free. No cost to you. I handle everything. Maintenance, cash, and all the service. And I'll pay you 50 cents a transaction. That's it. Short, simple, clear. Most will say no. You'll get some maybes and a few will say yes. That's all you need. You only need 2 yeses to hit your goal. Out of 50 locations, you'll get at least 3 to 5 solid yeses. Pick the best 2. Get a location agreement signed. Don't do handshake deals. Get it in writing. We give you a template in our course, but you can find basic templates online. Make sure it covers who owns the machine, who maintains it, how much the location gets paid, and how long the agreement lasts. Both parties sign, done. Day 46 through 75. Installation phase. Your ATM's arrived. Now it's time to install. This is easier than you think. You don't need to be a handyman. You don't need a special tools, but here's what you do need. You need to load your ATM up in your car or truck, drive it over to the location, carry it inside. These things weigh about 150 pounds. Get someone to help you if you need it. Find the spot where the ATM is going to go. Bolt it to the floor. You'll need a drill, then some concrete anchors. Maybe 20 minutes. Plug it in. Connect it to the internet. Most ATMs use a wireless connection. We set all that up for you with PDQ. Load it with cash. Start with $2,000 or $3,000 in it. Turn it on. Test it. Done. Total installation time. That's going to be about an hour and a half. Day 75 through 90, we call this the optimization phase. Your ATMs are now live. You're monitoring them and adjusting. You're checking your phone each day to see how many transactions you're doing and if the machine is doing great. If the machine is slow, give it another 30 days. Sometimes it takes a few weeks for people to get noticed on the ATM. If after 30 days, it's all not working to the numbers that you're thinking about, maybe you move it to the better spot in that store, or maybe the location just isn't a good fit. That's fine. Pull it out, find a better location. This is part of the process. Not every location works, but the ones that do will make you money for years. By day 90, you should be hitting close to $1,000 a month, maybe 800, maybe 1,200. Depends on how good your locations. But if you're in the game, you're making passive income, and now you can scale. Let's talk about mistakes that stops people from hitting their goals, because I've seen this over and over. People get excited. They start strong, then they quit. Here's why, and here's how to avoid it. Mistake number 1, picking terrible location. This is the biggest one. People get desperate. They take the first yes they get. Even if it's a terrible location, low traffic, bad neighborhood, the location already has 3 ATMs across the street. Don't do that. Be picky. You only need 2 good locations. Don't settle for garbage just to get started. Walk away from bad deals. Trust me, no ATM is worse than a slow ATM, because now you've got money tied up, a machine that's not making you anything. Mistake number 2, not having enough cash. People think they can start with $500 in an ATM. Wrong. You need $2,000 to $3,000 preferably. Why? Because in your ATM runs out of money on a Friday night, just lost a whole weekend of transactions, and the location owner is pissed. And customers think your ATM doesn't work. You just killed your own business. Always keep your ATMs full. Mistake number 3, giving up after the first few no's. Listen, you're going to hear a lot of no's. Out of 50 locations, maybe 45 say no's. That's normal. That's the game. If you quit after 10 no's, you'll never make it. You got to keep going. The yeses are out there. You just got to find them. Mistake number 4, not tracking your numbers. You need to know how your ATMs are performing. How many transactions per day? How much you're making per month? What are your expenses? If you're not tracking, you have no idea if this is working. Set up a simple spreadsheet. Track everything. This takes 5 minutes a week. Do it. Mistake number 5, trying to do everything yourself. Look, you don't need to figure out this alone. There are people who've done this before. Learn from them. Join communities. Ask questions. Get help. We've got a ATM free business community. They'll tell you what works, what doesn't. Use that. Don't reinvent the wheel. $1,000 a month isn't life-changing money, but it's life improvement money. It is the difference between barely scraping by and actually having breathing room. It's the difference between living paycheck to paycheck and starting to build wealth. And that's the best part. You can do this in 90 days, 3 months from now. You could have 2 ATMs making you $1,000 a month every month while you sleep. I've been doing this for decades. I've seen regular people just like you with no business experience build ATM portfolios that replace their income. And it all starts with the first 1,000. If you want the complete checklist that walks you through every single step of this 90-day plan, I put together a free download. It's got everything, what to do each week, what locations to target, what questions to ask, what paperwork you need, everything. Click the first link in the description down below to download your checklist right now. And if you want to see more videos about building passive income with ATMs, check out the rest of our content on this YouTube channel. Stop waiting, start building, and I'll see you at the next ATM video. And thank you for liking and subscribing to our channel.